Hi everyone and welcome to the 22nd of December. Let's see what's behind the door today. Oh! We've got an advent calendar on our advent calendar. I can't believe I've not done this before in 5 years. Grab your paints and let's get started. Well, I can't actually believe we've never done this and I've never thought of this. And the kind of advent calendar I'm going to draw is one of those hanging fabric ones with the pockets that actually my granny had in her house, hanging up by the stairs, and we all loved it. And of course you can just keep using them every year. I wonder if any of you have one of those. And I think it's particularly brilliant for children. It just means that you can sort of avoid too much kind of wastage every year, I suppose, for a little loop to hang it up. So it's a sort of soft fabric one, and I'm going to put in pockets, but we'll have a little star at the top. There was a small part of me that thought, why don't we draw our advent calendar? And then I thought, no. Okay, so I want to do 6 lines. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's got room for pockets, so we'll have 2 pockets, and we'll have 3, then we'll have 4, then 5, then 6, and finally 4 more at the bottom. There we are, and maybe we could put extra little star decoration down here. Okay, and I'm just going to lightly roll that to get rid of the heavy pencil. And I think what would be nice is I might have a few little things like sticking out of some of the pockets, like a little gold coin or something. So I'm going to begin with some of the lighter things first. And gosh, I'm still forgetting that I have metallics. There we go. So I'm going to put in just the sort of top edge of a gold coin here and there, and then I might just take a tiny bit of blue and a bit of silver, and maybe sort of, I might do a coin or two, but maybe something sort of a different shape, thinking, oh, what might that be? You don't have to have things poking out of all of them, but it just feels like a nice thing to do and a good way to just add a bit of colour and interest to the calendar. So I'm just going to use some red to paint in a little top of a candy cane, and maybe I'll put in a little sweet, one of those little peppermint thingamajigs. Yeah, that feels nice. I don't think we need to do too much more. And I'll paint in some golden yellow stars. I'm really obsessed with collecting advent calendars, actually, especially ones that you can use year in, year out. I just think they're such an amazing sort of creative opportunity for people who are into crafts and things like that. And I think I will maybe paint. I've got this sort of stripy base. Nice. Okay, we're going to let that all dry and then we'll do the next stages. I'm going to use some Alizarin Crimson to just line the tops of the pockets. So I'm making them just a little bit curvy, and I'm going to number them. So I'm going to leave the pockets white and then have the tree all green around it. And really hope that I've counted the number of pockets correctly. Good news, I did pick the right number of pockets, and now I've just got some of my green, and then I've got a bit of a mix of it with some of the blue. And I thought this quite sort of bright green might actually be sort of perfect for our fabric tree. So I am going to paint around the edge of everything. And I do have that sort of blue and green mixed together if I want to get any sort of variation on this green, which I always do like to. So now you can just have a bit of fun. I just did a little bit of stitching on the stars. I've got some slightly darker brown gold because now my coins could do with a little bit extra. And the same with the silver stuff. And really that is all you need to do. But if you're anything like me and you just enjoy little details, you could find more places to just add in little bits of pattern. Just have some fun with it. And there is our advent calendar for the advent calendar, the 22nd of December.